Oh, for people that are confused, the yellow stuff that's on his face, those are actually his spikes. I'm not a good 3D detailer, but this is it. And the orange magma-like stuff is just the joints that make him move. And the head on his chest is his actual head. And yeah, that's kind of it. And sorry that I didn't put much detail on the right foot. I mean, left foot. I'm not. I didn't have enough storage, so. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, guys. I am really sorry and I apologize in advance. Thank you.